Hi, I'm ChuChu. Please click to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get updates on new videos. ChuChuTV surprise! Hi, Mr.Harlo.
Welcome back, little friends. So happy to have you back.
Wow, that's a gift box.
Yep, it sure is. And we are going to see what's inside it. Let's go ahead and open it up.
Wow, there are so many eggs.
The eggs here hold a surprise each.
Surprise? Let's go. Pick me. Thank you. Blue egg looks so new. Let's see what's inside. Open. 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 Surprise! Wow! It's a cow! Yay!
Now, what does the cow say? The cow says, moo moo moo. Let's say it again, shall we?
The cow says, moo moo moo!
Let's move on to the next egg.
Pick me! Thank you! Let's go for the indigo egg. Open. 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 Surprise! It's a cute dog. Yay! Can you please tell us how the dog barks, Mr.Harlo?
The dog says, woof woof woof. Let's say it again, shall we?
The dog says, woof woof woof. Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open the red egg?
That's not red, it's crimson. Crimson is a mixture of deep red and purple.
Thank you, Mr.Harlo. We now learned a new color.
Now, let's open the crimson egg.
Open. 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 Surprise! It's a horse. Yay!
The horse says, neigh, 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 and pulls the sleigh.
What's a sleigh, Mr.Harlo?
It's a light vehicle pulled by the horses in the snow. Let's say it again, shall we?
The horse says, neigh, neigh, neigh. Thank you. Let's open the pink egg. Open. 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 Surprise! It's a big, bubbly pig. Yay!
What does the pig say? Think, think, don't blink. The pig says, oink, oink, oink.
That sounds funny.
Let's say it again, shall we?
The pig says, oink, oink, oink.
Come on, let's go to the farm with our Cutians and see all the farm animals.
Yay! 3 little kittens went out to the farm. They went on a red car with a charm. 3 little kittens went out to the farm. They went on a red car with a charm. Moo, 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 said the cows in the farm. Come on, let's all greet them with the charm. Moo, moo, moo. Moo, moo, moo. 3 little kittens went out to the farm. They went on a red car with a charm. Woof, 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 said the dogs in the farm. Come on, let's all greet them with the charm. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. 3 little kittens went out to the farm. They went on a red car with a charm. Neigh, 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 said the horses in the farm. Come on, let's all greet them with the charm. Neigh, neigh, neigh. Neigh, neigh, neigh. 3 little kittens went out to the farm. They went on a red car with a charm. Oink, 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 said the pigs in the farm. Come on, let's all greet them with the charm. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink.
Now, tell me what you learned today.
Sure, Mr. Harlo. The cow says, moo, moo, moo. The dog says, woof, woof, woof. The horse says, neigh, neigh, neigh. The pig says, oink, oink, oink.
Fantastic, kids!
Thank you, Mr. Harlo. Learning these were fantastic as well.
Time to go home. See you soon.
Bye-bye.